Do you want me to put it in a bowl? And you walk around? You give it to the guys. I'll get a bowl. Okay. Good job. Good job. Well done. Good job. Say good morning.
What are you two doing?
Come on.
Good.
Come on.
Hello, dear.
Say good morning. Uh-oh. Baby.
Here you go.
Sasali ko niya. Dito ko guys.
Kasi yung hugas dito sa side.
Ha?
Kasi yung hugas dito sa side. D. Asa mo yan nila dito? Shari?
See that? That works.
Of course it's here.
Yeah.
I work sa kadyo.
Yeah. It's up to you. Are you ready to do it? You trace it. Trace the letter A. You do this one. I'll be just saying.
Iron Man!
Instead of pencil. Pretty well here. Good job. There you go. What is it? A mat. And this is another mat. Oh, sorry. What's that? A mat. Yeah. A map of the world. So map and a map. And this one is a mouse. Good job. Sige, what do you want to do next? Or here, this one. Because you're learning these letters. So after this, do that. What letter is that? Oh, you want to wear it? Oh. Oh, where's Steve? Oh, hello.
Are we playing this?
Kaya asang buwad din.
Ah, yeah, pa.
Nahon. For tree.
I'll get buwad. Actually, ito na ako.
I am. It's on there. I am Iron Man. And I'm the voice. Wait.
Smooth.
And I am the strongest man in the world. Hello, my friend. What is in here? Green. Oh, you dead. You dead.
So what's that? Oh, Santa sleigh. Good job! Oh my gosh, you're so smart. What? You're gonna sit down too? But you can't, no, you can't disturb Ate. She's doing homework.
It's okay, she can do it.
Are you sure? Okay, be good to Ate, okay? Ate's doing homework. I give her something. Okay.
Stand.
Hindi ko siya masuk din. Kita ko na siya.
Ha? Ah, sige.
Dire?
Do you want to give a piece of heaven?
Dogo na lang siya. Dogo.
Yes, baby feet! Baby feet, I'm gonna run! Yeah, baby feet, yeah!
Oh,
aking pamilya. Kaya gusto ko sana silang pag-schooling eh. Say hi to the guys. Don't touch. Ha? Irap ko yung present ni Manay pala, guys. Bukas na yung birthday niya. Ngayon punta natin ng Renmark. So, irap ko. Tapos iwan ko lang to sa car. Bukas na to ilabas. Nandyan din yung gift namin kay Riker. Kasi baka makalimutan natin. Nagluluto si Michelle ng breakfast. Ha? You wanna play? Sige, play. Bait nito ang ating di. Laro lang siya dyan sa blocks. Si Ate Ayla. Call Ate Ayla ka. Si Ate Ayla, please help me. Itong Ate Ayla natin. Nag-homework. Malapit na niya matapos yung homework. Feeling ko ibabalik yun end of term pa. Pero malapit na niya matapos. Gusto niya talagang gawin na. Ay, wait. I-open ko muna. Kasi in-order ko to online. Tapos, hindi ko man lang chinek. I-check muna natin. Ay! Buti na lang in-open ko. Dito pa yung... Alright. So, nakaganito siya. You know what? Natanggalin ko to, guys. And ito na lang yung irarap ko. Tama ba? Wait. Feeling ko kasi parang ang dami ng boxes. Parang gusto ko makita yung laman. Oh, what? Ang dami naman. Na. Ito na lang. Okay lang to. Wait. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Gusto ko siyang makita. Wag na. Makikita ko naman pag in-open naman na eh. Ito na lang. Hindi ko na maalala actually kung ano to. Basta. Thank you.
Nabi kay 1 hour worth of edit ato imuhang ko anabian hammer.
Para lang walang nangyari. Para lang hindi nagdisiplina si Mami.
Mura lang mo nakasapan.
Pagalitan ka, de? Sali ka, de?
Amo na una hadlok sa kani sakit ka tin.
Wala eh. Nag-isip niya. Nag-isip niya.
Apil sa juday ka dito.
Si Ayla, ito si Ayla. I'll help you, ma'am. I'll hold it. Konting hold ni Ayla. Sige, anang hindi. Ba Ayla din. Milk? Here. Ilum ni mo yan. Ano sa?
Mga bulag ba?
Di ba?
Wala dyan ni Mahon yung balete.
Na, kusog naman ang exhaust na
Hindi ka pa kusog kayo mo ito.
Importante siya yung exhaust na ano.
Kasi ato dito ang exhaust tape. Kusog man ang exhaust pero mula sa liquid sa kuan sa room. Di ba? Ano na? Ang kalampaan na niya na ay leak dili. Puro gamaw. Pero dili kay dako ang leak pero man na.
Wala ka gawa sa babaw.
Yeah.
Say bye, Tito. See you later. Kiss, Tita. Kiss. Kiss.
Si Tira!
Si Dida!
Uy!
Oy.
Tira! Nagbabayad Tita Michelle ka.
Sus, buyag ay. Okay, let's go sleep. Patulogin ko lang to, guys. Ibutang ras counter. Karabalan. Napunta na nga dito sa bahay ang juicer niya. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Alis na sila, guys. Iwan niya lang yung juicer niya kasi hindi naman daw niya ginagamit pa. Ang laki-laki. Hanapan ko ng lugar yun. Tulog na si D. Pag alis nila, mag-ano na ako, packing mode na ako. Tapos i-try ko din i-pack na yung mga bagay-bagay sa car. Kaya butang yan juicer dito.
Yung stuff.
Yung mga bata na awan, apo juice. Alright, update. Nakaalis na sila, guys. I have a lot of folding to do. And hindi ko pa tapos mapack yung mga damit ko. So, tapos na yung sa kids. Tapos na yung mga pang-swimming nila. Trying to think. Tapos na yung mga supplements ko. Food na lang at saka damit ko. But I also don't wanna leave tupi in dito. So, magtutupi ako habang iniisip ko kung ano pa yung mga dadalhin natin. Let's go. I'm also listening to JK podcast. Let's do this, people. Look at all this. Look at all that to be in. Nagtutupi ako usually sa kwarto namin, but hindi sleeping there. So let's do it here. Hinihingal ako kasi tumakbo ako paakyat.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love.
Guys, update. We're packing up the car. Tapos ko na pack lahat ng damit. Yung mga pagkain, yung kulang na lang is yung mga nasa fridge. Pero the dry goods, nandun na. And you know what? Indy is still sleeping. Still very sleeping, RD. Good luck mamaya sa biyahe. So, hindi namin dadalhin yung pram niya. Nandiyan yung pram niya. Kasi hindi naman namin gagamitin, guys. Indy is a walker now. She's a big walker girl. So, dalhin namin yung bikes at saka yung scooters ng mga bata. So, guys, it is 2:58 ng hapon. Plano namin umalis 1 hour ago. That's right, Dada!
What was 1 hour ago?
We plan to leave at 2, you said?
No.
2:30?
2:30.
Ah,
That's alright.
yeah. Okay lang
We'll just
naman.
go non-stop.
The thing is, tulog si Indy the whole time. Kakagising niya lang mga 30 minutes ago lang din. So it says 2 hours and 59-minute drive. We will go non-stop, guys. So see you in 3 hours, Renmark.
Oh, bring me back to that day. I had all of this waiting ahead. It kills to be halfway alive since I had you, and one till I see you again. I don't mind
minutes away. Yung aming 3-hour lang sana na drive, naging almost 4 hours. Kasi see, I told you, it's gonna speed up. Look at him. Such a mess. Slow down.
Come on.
Come on,
Are you
quick.
overtaking?
Oh, what just happened?
Off.
Oh my goodness, these people.
Can you just make a schedule?
See, I told you it's gonna speed up. What's the point? Ay, nako. Ang bagal-bagal niya. Kanina pa kami nakasunod. Ang bagal-bagal. Tapos nung nasa overtaking lane na marami nang gustong mag-overtake, biglang nag-speed. Nag-120 ang buwang. Tapos kaninang 110, 100 lang yung takbo. Ay, nako. Anyway, maiinit na yung mga ulo kasi ano na kami. Late na kami. 6 yung dinner, yung arrival namin is 6:23. Pinadetour nga kasi kami, parang may aksidente ata, so clinose nila yung road, tapos pinadetour kami. And yun, marami kaming nasundan na mababagal. So yeah, anyway, we will be there in 8 minutes. It's currently 6:15. So nandun na yun sila kasi nga yung dinner namin nakabook ng 6. Diretso pala tayo sa dinner, guys. Dito na kami. Ang init nga. Ay, maganda yung sa inyo. Maganda yung lighting. Wag na. Okay lang yan. Doon si Buntit ay. Ay, ang ganda doon. Mas maganda lighting doon.
Kasi wala naman pa.
Dito siya ko nga. Maganda nga yung uncle ko yan. Ang gulo mo to? Uncle ko yan doon. Wala wala akong uncle. Puro mapangit. And happy pregnancy. Happy pregnancy. Happy pregnancy, happy birthday. Pakalaki ng mustato natin. Nag-order kay Kil Patrick?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, you left last in.
Yeah. This is,
Sigara mustato.
yeah, Muscata and
You got a lot of drinks, man.
wala kayong
You're gonna be drunk.
Iniwaw, mas hindi.
Hindi na. Yeah, but fine. More energized.
She can even sit there.
Semester, so sa una sleep na hard, fatigue, but yeah, more energized na.
Kumain na ba si Riker? Nasaan si Riker?
Kakain na.
Yeah. Makain na siya. Naglalaro siya kanina eh. Bakit parang ang laksa ng amoy?
That's alright, thanks. You grab that close down.
Sobrang bilis ng kids meal. Nauna pa ako sa'yo. Bilis nga. Tuting ang daming tao. Alam sa akin na yun. Hindi naman. Hindi. Isda. Ayun, isda malang saba? Hindi naman. Ang layo. Malang saba. Hindi naman sa Hindi naman. Ewan ko. Sorry, baby.
Kasi naubos ni Mars, masarap.
Can I have some? Can I have
What?
I want some red
What? Red juice? Yeah, go to that thing. That's yours. What is yours? Give you chicken, baby? Chicken?
Anong ni Dan?
Huh?
Steak?
No, I think, ano siya, parmesan? Tingnan mo tong taong to. Asarin niya daw si Dan. Ipaprank niya. Nandito kay yan, Zach. Tapos sabi niya, sabihin natin na kay Dan. Masyashock daw si Dan. Come on. Happy day. I think he got everything from the salad bar.
Alright.
Yeah, try everything.
Di, lang mo chips, di.
Kumakain ng rice mamaya.
Sino?
Si Didi.
Gumawa kong pansit. May pansit tayo.
May pansit tayo. Ano ka
Grilled
ba?
fish. Grilled
I got
fish
crumbed
and
here.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I got a
Wow.
whole thing. Well, I wanted half, but Dan said,
I'll help you.
yeah.
I'd rather that one than that one.
I want,
Yeah.
a healthy version of the mo.
It's really big.
Ayan na din.
Tagal naman ito. Ayan na, nandito na siya. That was quick, right?
I'm going to get a plate for what you ordered there. That's not mine, is it? Yeah. You got a party.
What did you get?
Oh, that's all right. Did I? Yeah.
What did you get? What did you get?
I got a big party.
A beef palmy?
Yeah, that's beef. I don't believe it. Why? No one else ordered it. No, give that back.
Oh, sorry, baby, sorry. Ito na yung aking dinner. Yan yung Kilpatrick in order ni Manay. Yan yung kinakain ni Indy. Oh, yeah. Ay, lagi. Galit naman to, guys. Ano, yan? Okay, wait.
There. Aside for it.
Alam mo naman to, kailangan mo na busugin. All done. Upo ka dito. Tabi ka kay dito dyan.
So, dandahan mo lang yung pag-ano kasi.
Oh, yan?
Ko ng ano.
You're hungry, little girl.
Ang laki nito.
You're hungry.
Yes. This is massive.
Can I get those sauces there, please?
Of course. And lemon.
I don't know.
What else? Kain tayo, guys. Mayroon pa popcorn chicken. Did you order my popcorn chicken? Daddy boy, did you order my popcorn chicken? That's okay, that's fine. That's fine. I knew it. Nakalimutan.
That's good, mate.
Nakalimutan niya.
That's nice.
Malangsa.
But I no, that's
Sina, gustuhan niya yung chicken? Yung fish. Is it good, Johnny boy?
It is. I was a bit worried, but I'm not probably that.
What kind of fish is that?
I don't know. I'd like to know.
Yep. Well? Good. Here.
Do you know what fish it is tonight? Do you know what fish it is tonight?
I'm gonna ask to
Thank you very much. And what country are you from?
Bako.
Gusto ko yung depende.
Huh?
Hey?
Hey, yep, no worries.
Hey. What's that? Hey.
Fucking shit fish.
Cheap.
Big fish.
Shit.
But it's good.
Yeah, hey.
We have a
Jesus.
I'm sorry, they don't come any bigger. I know it's kind of small, but well, good. Next big palmy, second big palmy. Here we are. Fantastic. Is anybody else missing anything on the table? Anybody else waiting?
No.
I think we're done.
I think we're good.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Enjoy tonight.
Bloody hell. How the fuck?
It's like falling off your plate. Look. That, it's massive. Tingnan niyo yung schnitzel niya. Nahuhulog na sa plato. Ganyan din yung kay Dan.
Ano ba sila, beef?
Beef yan. Beef din kay Dan.
Kaya nga, grabe man yan. Ano kaya kawaling gamit niya?
Oh, sorry baby, you want more?
Pwede lang natin yan, no?
Go with Ate Huli, go play. Busog ka na din. Yung alin? Hindi na film.
Nagain pa naman. Dali sa pagpakap dapat ito.
Ayan nga po. Yum yum! Indy! More? Ayla, sit down, babe. When you eat it, sit down.
Dito na sila, oh. I love your scooter, Ayla. Hi, Ate Harley. Hi. Hi, Baba. Yes, I'm ready. Wow. You can't do it? Go try again. Try again. Try again. Go. Try again. Kay Arlo ba yan? Ayan. Go. Bye. Bye, Di. Bye. Why is that not moving? Uy, V, you're only one. Come here. Not moving? Ready? Steady. Go. Wee. Oh. Wee. Oh no, so cool. Riker yan, Ayla. Hindi. Go, Didi. You can do it, Didi. Go, Didi. Go, Didi. Go, Didi. Yay! Oh my goodness, Indy. Oh, wow. Iniwan. Agoy, ano na nangyari dun sa bike ni Arlo? Nawalang kadena. Grabe naman. Hindi. Gulong agad. Para naman siya naputo ka ng vulcanizing kami. Wala ba akong magutin rin? Kasi street food kami, guys. Ay, agad-agad. Agad-agad. Kasi ang dami nilang chika. Ito yung kakainin natin sa linggo. Sabi ko, paano na yung street food na dala ko? Ngayon na lang. Alam mo na, ilagyan ko na to ng oil. So, tingnan mo nga. Magamit naman to eh. Magamit sa spring roll. Okay. Yeah. So, let me know.
Kasi meron naman ako doon na, well, hindi naman natin yung lulutuin na ano, pang bacon and eggs lang naman.
More?
I'll keep this in here for a little bit longer.
Yeah, we're gonna get it after we cook this one.
Kasi hindi mo naman inubos.
Kasi si Sir nagre-reklamo yung lemon lime, hindi kasi ready to inom. Okay na yan, okay na yan. Hindi talaga siya umalis dito. Ayan na, sige, go.
Ayan, nakakain yan. Guys, may pansit si Manay. Ang sarap nung nakain kung konti pa lang yun. Kain din si Di, syempre. Anong oras na ba? Uy, alas 10 na. 10:11 na. Gusto ba ng kids mo? Ayan si ate. Ate, do you want this?
Yung pancit?
Ito na! Ilabas ng mga pinakamalakas ng kanyang cake. Gusto mo? Ay, kung gusto mo buntis, ay kabuntis.
Kaya ako kanina. Sabi ko,
Ang sarap niya.
bukas yan, almusal.
Baby! Baby! Uy, Chona! Ubusin mo to. Birthday mo bukas. Uy! Ito na nga, walang tigil kain. Asan yung tubig mo, Inday? Kawawa naman to ating Inday.
Ito yung sparkling.
Sparkling naman para may bula-bula yung kanya din. Yeah, wait, you want this?
Hindi naman nilabas nito yung kaniyang cake. Ang sarap nito. Pero almusal na lang yan
Yeah.
bukas.
No, ito sa kanya. O, para meron din siyang ano.
Thank you.
Pabula-bula.
Sparkling water for me.
Para pabula-bula ka dyan.
Oh, di ba?
Diba? Oh.
Gusto mo, anuhan natin ng grapes?
Lagyan mo
Para
strawberry.
po may kulay? Squeeze tayo grapes.
Fishball lang katapat.
O, parang di ano. Martini? Yeah. Di ba olive dapat yun?
Yeah, ulit na eh.
Oh, di ba umalis yung taga-cheers natin?
Dry martini pala.
Yeah.
Umalis na yung si cheers. Oh, cheers.
Cheers tayo, uy.
Kasi si hindi.
Uy, alam mo ba, nasira niya yung mga yung mga tempered glass ng phone ni Ikang at saka phone ni Miss. Cheers! No, wait, meron pa siya. Yung kanyang farm life. Aussie farm life. Tagal mag-cheers.
Alam mo ba? Kasi ano siya, yung may safety, hindi mo makikita. Kailangan ko siya ganun.
Ah, may pa-screen ka. Asan? Dito? Hindi to buto yung meat nito?
Wala akong buto dyan. Wala. Walang buto.
Baby, it's okay, it's ate.
Ate Jose. Ate Dasa. Siya sama na sa. Siya Dasa.
Rina, wala mo siya pa.
I don't want. Kaya ipapikit tayo yung mata mo happy talaga.
Dito na lang, para kita talaga. Doon tabi.
Ay, itabi na lang.
Hindi yan nalalaglag.
Cheers! Happy birthday, sis.
Ayaw na makipaglaro ni Indy.
Uy, ang sarap, ang lamig.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Ah, sarap.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, sis. Yeah? Sige, ano na natin?
Mamaya, para siya kay Mahal.
Di ba?